we are going to unbox the wireless charger from Kodak. It cost only 1000 rupees, discounted price, you know. So just going to unbox it and we will just review it. It's basically the car charger, so it can be used on car and also MagSafe. So what we get in the box is the charger, and it looks fantastic, good quality. These are the mounts maybe for the car, and yeah, absolutely the mounts for the car. And there's a cable. What kind of cable it is type C to A cable, and this is the mount. So just test it on my iPhone and let's see. There is a warranty, 1-year warranty card, and then user guide, manual. That's it. Easy to use, and it also has the object detection. Like if you are putting something else like coins and all, it can detect. It's 15-watt fast charging. So I'm gonna use it on Samsung adapter, and I'll make another video on the testing. Thank you guys. After we put the power on, it's just light up like that. Now here we have the iPhone 12. Okay, so let's see if it is taking charge. So we just have put it in there. Yes, and you can see it's charging, and it also supports the MagSafe. So definitely it's a worth buying product, and it all cost only 1000, so it's charged 50%. So it's good enough for car. You can mount it on a car and you can just use it. So it's a worth buying product, and now I'm using only on Samsung adapter, 15-watt. So definitely it's going to get fast charge. Thank you for watching, guys.